Ayu Nurul Rohmah, Sarjana Sastra. Ganis Pramesti Indriani, Sarjana Sastra.
Indri Marliasari, Sarjana Sastra. Intan Meliani Putri, Sarjana Sastra. Mawardatul Hartati, Sarjana Sastra. Muhammad Naufal Firdani, ahli media linguistik. Firda Septia, ahli media linguistik.
Devi Kusumaningrum, ahli media linguistik. Tasya Nur Karimah, ahli media linguistik. Rosiko, ahli media linguistik. Wahyu Wijaya, ahli media linguistik. Salsabila Fatia Febri Rahmantia, ahli media linguistik. Safira Widyasari, ahli media linguistik.
Semua baktimu akan kuukir di dalam hatiku sebagai prasasti terima.
Lucy Mawarda, ahli media linguistik. Hadirin yang terhormat, mari bersama kita dengarkan himne Teknokrat.
Presentasi ilmiah oleh Dr. Aam Alamsyah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for the chance given to me, and in this precious moment, I personally would like to say thank you very much for your appreciation and also for your determining factors which lead you to your graduation today. I know it's not very easy to work hard until you deserve to be called as a Bachelor of Literature in English. And today I'd like to tell you about something which becomes an issue in newspaper and also as a global highlight, which is unfortunately actually is not very promising for us. But anyway, as a graduate, as educator, as a continuous learner, we believe that our challenge will not make us disheartened. The challenge will make us even more determined that we need to fight and struggle and to move forward and to show who you are as the true learner. We need to learn from experience in order to make us better and better. Let's start with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Rabbi zidni ilman nafi'an wa amalan mutaqabbalan wa rizqan kathiran halalan tayyibah. My title, the first title that I'd like to deliver is about worldwide conflict and survivability and global language. Why I need to deliver the three key terms? Because today we know that the situation is worsening. UNO has stated that the global refugees around the world has increased in alarming state. There are millions of refugees around the world which are fleeing from conflicts, from Palestinian, from Ukraine, from maybe other countries. And we believe the situation cannot be stopped because most of the power resides in the superpower countries. But anyway, regardless of the conflict around the world, we as a person, we as in the nations, and also a learner, we need to continuously learn and to survive. I know it is hard. The economy is not very good. It's not very promising these days because of the conflict. And as we know, there are some factories in Tangerang have closed down not because of the company performance, but because of the diminishing trend of export to European countries. This is the fact that we need to anticipate. In the future, we not only need to depend to other countries, but we need to improve ourselves and to find other sources in Indonesia. Indonesia can become a market as well as the producers. And we, as TBA Technocrat graduates, are expected not only to work or apply for a job, but maybe we can deliver our ideas to create more solutions to this worldwide conflict. Maybe we are not diplomats, maybe we're not policymakers, but we can possibly provide a solution for our family, for ourselves, in order not to be unemployed or jobless, which will contribute to the burden of Indonesian economy. So that's the worldwide conflict. The second, I'd like to deliver the term survivability. Survivability consists of two words: survive. It means that you must be able to work on your own, to stand on your own steadfastly without burdening to other people. If you are able to stand economically viable, then you are a person who are independent. And this is the question: are we independent yet or not? I believe after graduation, you will become an independent person, financially independent, and you will become a person who work, or at least you can create your own solution to solve your economic problem. And I really hope so. And number three, survivability. It means the abilities to survive, economically viable and economically independent. And number three, global language. This is what we continuously say. We need to continuously struggle and depend on this. We need to continuously learn. I believe global language, in this case English, is still used by so many world bodies in the world. In the data, based on the data, the language used by most of refugees around the world is still English. So many refugees around the world fleeing from the conflict areas, and they use English as the means to communicate with those in different countries, even in remote areas where they never know before. If the refugees can speak English and master English, then we are the graduate of STBA must be very proficient, must be able not only to speak but communicate and to deliver a very influential message to other people. It means that your struggle will not end after this graduation. I strongly encourage that everyone, especially my beloved students who have graduated today, will continuously learn. And be aware that your struggle, your learning process is lifelong process. You will never end here, and you need to continuously study, maybe on your own time, or your own space, or your own schedule, because you need to work, you need to socialize, you need to contribute yourself to society. But how can we contribute to society if we stop learning? Please improve your study, and of course, I also expect that you can possibly work finally. Don't stop learning and keep empowering yourself. Please support your skill not only with one language, maybe other languages as well. Because now when you communicate with a person coming from different countries, maybe it is also important for you to speak using that specific language. For example, now you speak with an Arab. Maybe it is also important to insert in your communication with little Arabic. So learning another language will support your intimate relationship, which will provide an impact to your relationship and your network in the future. Also about Mandarin. Mandarin is also important. There are some of the students of STBA graduates who are successfully learning not only English but also other languages. And they are often able to work in very difficult situations. So last but not least, thank you very much for the sense. And I'm very honored and I'm very touched to see you all here. Thank you for my all students. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hadirin yang kami muliakan, mari kita dengarkan janji wisudawan yang akan dibacakan oleh Saudara Denny Apriyadi, Sarjana Sastra, dan diikuti oleh seluruh wisudawan. Kepada Saudara Denny Apriyadi, kami persilahkan. Dan kepada seluruh wisudawan, kami mohon untuk berdiri.
Ikrar Sarjana. Sekolah Tinggi Bahasa Asing Teknokrat Tangerang. Pada hari ini, kami, sarjana lulusan Sekolah Tinggi Bahasa Asing Teknokrat Tangerang, dengan penuh kesadaran berikrar. 1. Beriman dan bertakwa kepada Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, Tuhan yang Maha Esa. 2. Melaksanakan cita-cita pembangunan bangsa dan negara Republik Indonesia. 3. Menjunjung tinggi norma dan ilmu pengetahuan, selalu berusaha untuk menggali, mengembangkan dan mengabdi pada masyarakat, sesuai dengan keahlian. 4. Menjaga nama baik Sekolah Tinggi Bahasa Asing Teknokrat Tangerang dan Korps Sarjana. 5. mengutamakan kepentingan agama, bangsa, dan negara di atas kepentingan lainnya.
The announcement of the best graduate of Technocrat School of Foreign Language. To the graduates whose names are mentioned, please come forward.
Pengumuman lulusan terbaik Sekolah Tinggi Bahasa Asing Teknokrat. Bagi wisudawan yang disebutkan namanya, kami minta untuk naik ke atas panggung. Kami mohon kesediaan Ketua Yayasan Teknokrat, yaitu Pak Mursan Sobari dan para Dik Darmawan serta Bu Sri Rejeki untuk menyerahkan cindramata kepada para lulusan terbaik kami. Dengan IPK 3,73. Meiri Cila Tiffany Strata 1.
Dengan IPK 3,74. Delima Sinurat.
Dengan IPK 3,76. Auzania Frida.
Kami mohon kesediaan Bapak Haji Mursan Sobari, Ibu Sri Rezeki, serta Bapak Radik Darmawan untuk memberikan cindramata kepada para lulusan terbaik kita.
Saya mau tanya, puas nggak sampai di sini? Puas ya. Bisa melanjutkan lebih tinggi? Insya Allah ya. Ini janji nih ya.
Insya Allah.
Yang bisa mencapai sarjana S2. Ya amin. Mudah-mudahan nanti menjadi manusia yang berguna bagi masyarakat. Oleh karena itu suatu hal yang wajar ini buat kenang-kenangan.
Dengan rasa bangga, kami serta mengundang orang tua dari Auzania Frida, Delima Sinurat serta Meiri Cila Tiffany untuk maju ke depan mendampingi putri. Ya, para hadirin sekalian, beri tepuk tangan yang meriah untuk para lulusan terbaik kita. Terima kasih kepada Bapak Haji Mursan Sobari, Bapak Radik Darmawan, dan Ibu Sri Rezeki yang telah membersamai mereka semua. Hadirin yang kami hormati, mari kita dengarkan pesan dan kesan dari perwakilan wisudawan yang akan disampaikan oleh Auzania Frida Sarjana Sastra.
Speech from the representative of the Technocrat graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Auzania Frida.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to the Honorable, all the member of Technocrat Foundation. The Honorable, the Chairman of Technocrat School of Foreign Language. The Honorable, the Chairman of School of, the Honorable, the Chairman of Technocrat School of Foreign Language. The Honorable, all the lecturer and the staff of Technocrat School of Foreign Language. The Honorable, all the parents, ladies and gentlemen, and all my fellow members, friends. First of all, let's thanks to God because His mercy and blessing that we can gather in this beautiful occasion filled with love, filled with joy. First of all, on behalf of my fellow graduates, I would like to express my heartfelt emotion because I'm proud to be part of Technocrat School of Foreign Language, to go through the learning process, it was full of struggle as well. But yeah, we did it, guys. I clearly remember how we all start our journey. Initially, we were the individual who only knew a little bit, but through all the dedication, the passion, the guidance from our lecturer, we grew up and then getting better each time, become individual who know more, who know much more, and getting better each day. Our lecturer not only giving us the knowledge, they also always giving up another knowledge like general knowledge, and then life lesson, and then life value, which is the very important insight for our future. As we all know that, as we all know that, at the beginning of our study, many of us here felt unsure of themselves, of their ability, and often questioning whether they can finish the study or whether they can finish until the graduation or not. But, however, seeing the consistency and spirit of everyone here, I feel that we were also amazing for having persevered until the very end. I have always believed that when we fight for something, and whatever is that, the result is not the very important things. I mean, like, the result is less important than the lesson and the experience we got when we through the process. Because for me, the process itself is the main important. Well, our study in Technocrat has finished, but I hope we can always be a people who always have a curiosity and always have a desire to learn, to know many things while we're alive. Because Aristotle said that the more that you know, the more you know that you don't. According to that quote, I hope that we can keep spirit in our life. Before I close my speech, once again, I would like to express my gratitude to my fellow graduates, seeing how each of you fought and fight until the end. You are all amazing. To all lecturer and staff of Technocrat School of Foreign Language, thank you so much for the dedication, for warm affection, and priceless experience shared to us. And the last but not least, to our parents, family, and everyone who support us. From the deep inside our heart, we say thank you very much, because we won't be here without you. That's my end of my speech. Warm regard, Ozania Frida. Thank you.
Hadirin yang terhormat, mari kita sambut penampilan dari salah satu wisudawan kita, Rizka Siti Rahmawati.